welcome back to another video. I'm at my dad's lake today and I'm going to be doing a bluegill catch and cook. And yeah, let's go. Put a teeny tiny piece of bread on it. Let's go. So I'm not going to be showing you guys the footage of me catching the bluegill because it's kind of boring. I'll just show you what they look like and me cleaning them. So I'm using this size hook. It's the smallest hook I could find. It's very, very small, so yeah. These are the bluegills I caught. This guy's a little small, but it's okay. So I don't want to get demonetized, so I'll just come back when they're all filleted. Okay, so after I fillet them, they look like this. I'm cooking them whole because they're kind of small, so get a pan, butter, and for the seasoning we're using Old Bay. It's my favorite seasoning. So I'm gonna turn the pan on to medium high. Then it's about this much butter. Put it on. Let that melt, and then I'll move it around, and then I'll season it now. Other side because I need the grill marks. Try and get the fish. Okay. This one. Okay. Now it's ready to put on after this. Okay, just let that melt. Spatula. Put it on. Let that cook. I left the tail on because I've seen people do this and they really like the tail, so why not try it? And then get this. Move it around so it doesn't stick. Probably a few minutes each side. Okay, now it's about ready to flip. That looks pretty good. And now the other one. Flip. Okay. Two more minutes and then it'll be ready. Just wait for that to get brown. Ready to flip to see how this looks. I think that looks super good. Other one. There we go. Finally did it. Okay. Now they're ready. Okay, let's dig in. Okay, stop. Okay, so let's try it. Tastes like fish and it's very good. Very, very good. I don't recommend eating it because it's super small, but it's very good. Okay, see you on the next video.